So having the Sage house building software has made us as a business much more agile and more leaner as well. We chose Sage house building software because it was the best software out there. Pennyfarthing Homes are a regional house builder based in central southern England. We employ about just over 50 members of staff. We turn over approximately £25 million. We're expanding as a company, and the current systems and software we had really weren't up to date and they weren't working within each department. The difficulties we're experiencing mainly were people all working from different information, and there was a lot of people doing the same sort of job twice. So we identified that we needed a complete package that worked with all the departments working together, where people could access the same information at the right place at the right time. Now all the information flows together seamlessly between departments through the course of the development. And also you can access that information in the office or obviously remotely as well, which is brilliant for us. Our management gain a great deal of information from Sage house building reporting. The main challenges our business face is for us is site acquisition, and the land and planning module really helps with that because it allows us to make key business decisions at the right time. It really allows you to put different sort of scenarios on that site, so you can put houses on there, you can put blocks of flats on there, you can put bungalows on there, and you can trial lots of different types, so to really identify how you can maximise the profitability on the sites. So the build module really helps us to actually make sure that we're building the projects on time, more importantly to cost as well, so we're managing the cost of the build all the time. Every day we're plugging in new information and updating it, so we've got a really live update of that site. The sales module within Sage house building, it allows us to log sales inquiries, track them, manage them. What it also does, it also goes through the process of actually selling the development, so it manages that process for our sales team as well. Another really great feature of the Sage house building packages is a module which allows you to link to our website the actual data from Sage house building. So we have a seamless feed to our website which updates almost automatically. The Sage house building care module actually allows us to track any defects, and it also allows us to monitor and manage them. So our customers are always informed exactly what's going on and how their defect is being rectified. Because we produce a high quality product, we still get defects like any other house building company. Although they're rare, we need a product that can actually sort of identify them and rectify them as soon as possible, and that's what it does. It tells us what's going on the sites and what defects are happening, so it allows us to identify if we have a faulty material or a subcontractor that perhaps isn't performing properly. It allows us to identify it not just on one site but multiple sites. Well, because Pennyfarthing are a privately owned company, obviously success really is measured on profitability, but with that we do really take into account the quality of products and obviously the customer satisfaction we get from them. Sage house building really helps us to achieve our profitability by giving us the right information at the right time for the whole course of development. We're a medium-sized house builder, but Sage do have software which will allow us to grow with them, not just for the short term but also for the long term.